Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, welcome the viewers if you're passing through. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you can stay up to date with all crypto related matters and give yourself the hedge in crypto. So, this video is for Shib. I know a lot of people are wondering why Shib has dumped during one of the biggest news since people have been waiting for. So I'm gonna be explaining to you guys exactly why Shib dumped with the biggest news release, which is Shibarium blockchain. Like I said before, guys, I've been studying the crypto market for the past 3 years, and I see people make the mistake over and over and over again because they don't understand the markets, they don't understand why the market works. They just simply look at one puzzle piece and they fail to see the entire picture. So, the, if uh, the devs or Shib team has any um, understanding of the market, they would have not launched Shibarium at the time they've launched it, because they've launched it at the worst possible time when the market is taking a correction. So, as stated before, no coin whatsoever is going to move against the market. It doesn't matter how big the news is. It doesn't care how much you try to push the coin. It doesn't matter how much money you try to pump into the coin. It's never going to go anywhere if the market is going the opposite way, which is why we saw Bitcoin is taking a correction. If you have been following the channel and the video, we've mentioned that we have been waiting for Bitcoin to retrace back to the 26K areas before we see another pump. So this is what's happening now. So we were expecting this retrace to happen, and personally for me, um, if the Shib team had any um, understanding of the market, they would have waited at least the correction has been completed, or wait until Bitcoin breaks above the 31K resistance. If they would have launched after retracement is completed, or after Bitcoin breaks the main resistance at 31K, then you would have seen one of the successful launch of Shibarium. You would have witnessed mega pumps in a Shib charts because of the news. But as I mentioned before, we don't follow news, we just simply follow the charts, because the charts will tell us what's going to happen. Irrespective to what big news that's coming out, the chart is going to do what the chart is going to do. So if you like to stay up to date with market updates, join the main Bull Run Telegram group. The link is in the description below. This is where we give buy and sell signals, we give you price analysis, we give you uh, uh, updates on any market conditions, so you know when the market is going to dump, when the market is going to pump. And we also have a private crypto signal group where we give up to 10, we give you guys up to 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x, up to 10,000x pumps. There are a few coins in there. Get yourself in there and just invest even just $100, and in a few months time when the market starts to pump, because we are in a bull run, guys, you will see those $100 turn into millions, guys. So Shib is finishing its correction at the present moment. So we will see most likely it retraces back to the 8, to the 8. Usually it retraces into the lower Bollinger Bands. I would say about right now it's looking, it would retrace back to the 7s. That's if Bitcoin continues to retrace, which it should, retrace, continuous retracement to the 26K areas, which we've been expecting. At support is at the 26K. Once it retraces back to the 26K, because we are about to see one of the biggest bull run. This is where we might even see a flash crash happen uh, on the 3 day, as you can see. Usually price retraces to the lower Bollinger Band, which is right here. So the retrace is almost over for Bitcoin. Then we're going to start to see Shib starts to pump again, guys. Once the retracement is done, there is another scenario we might see it flash crash very quickly, even drop down to the 18K ranges at support. And that will be a very quick price movement. And then for Shib, let's see here. Shib is finishing its normal correction, guys. So, like I mentioned before, if the team would have launched at a better time, Shib would just be taken off at the launch of Shibarium. But like I've mentioned before, nothing is going to go against the market. Whichever the direction the market is going to go, I see people make this mistake all over the crypto space. They don't know when to launch a token. They launch at the wrong time, and then uh, the coin dump, and then they question why the coin dump is because they launch at the wrong moment. So this is why I took the time to study the market, to understand every aspect of it. So I know exactly when the market is going to dump, when it's going to pump. So looking at SHIB on the 4 hour, it's finishing its retracement. So to get a better understanding, we would have to look at the 12 hour. So retracement is almost complete on the 4 hour, on the 12 hour. So I would say within the next couple of days, we should see, might not even be that long. Then we should see SHIB start to climb back up because the retracement is already, um, it's probably most likely gonna touch the eights, which is probably already there anyway. And then it's gonna start pumping back up again. So you will see that the news, big Shibarium release, is not what caused the pump. It's because of the market conditions. It's the way the market is going. So the market's gonna do what it's gonna do. This and disregards for any news, irrespective to any big launch. The market is going to do what it's gonna do, and every coin is going to follow the market. News doesn't matter in crypto, guys. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do. So, like I said before, if you'd like to stay up to date, join the main Bull Run Telegram group. The link is in the description below. And don't miss out on important topics, important discussions, and stay up to date and become a whale in crypto, guys. I'll see you in the Telegram. Peace.